Hi everyone, welcome to another video. We are the Marsden squad, a family of 6 who live in Cornwall, and we are visiting every part of Cornwall that we possibly can. So in this week's video we have headed over to Holywell Bay and Porth Joke beach, also known as Joke, and they are both situated in Newquay. So first up we went to Holywell Bay. Holywell Bay is a super popular beach and gets very busy in tourist season because it is just a short drive from the centre of Newquay. On first entering the beach you'll be met by beautiful towering sand dunes which are great fun to explore. The beach is close to all the village amenities with plenty of parking. As this beach is very large, even in busy season there's still plenty of room to spread out and have fun. After this we headed over to Porth Joke, which is just up the road, also known as Joke by locals. It's a north-facing Cornish bay with a sandy beach and it's situated between Crantock beach and Holywell Bay. Due to its secluded nature and harder access, Porth Joke stays fairly quiet even though it's only 5 miles from the major tourist town of Newquay. There's a large car park on the cliff and about a 5 to 10 minute walk along the cliff and descent to the beach. The path is not suitable for prams or wheelchairs, however was fine for our toddler to climb down. Climbing back up was not so much fun though, it's quite a hill, but if you want to experience a fairly quiet beach in busy season, this may just be the spot and it is certainly worth the climb. Please do remember to like and subscribe as it really helps our little channel to be seen, but for now let's go and explore Holywell Bay and Porth Joke.
It's you! This is Joey Cam, by the way. I'm not sure that one.
What about that?
Yeah. Are you filming for mommy?
Yeah, it's Joey's.